This is a quick video on a step-by-step process on how you can actually register your TONxDAO. All right, so for those who are operating TONxDAO, all right, so the only way you'll be able to pass this verification, every member, you can see the error, every member of the community must have connected their wallet, their TON wallet must be verified. All right, so now I've messaged some of the downline, some of the members in my DAO, but they are not actually responding. About two of them, I've removed one, and I'm about to removing one now. And the only way you can remove people from DAO is that there are rules. All right, so there are rules. For example, now, all right, so I'm about removing this one now. I have to have about 3 people. You can see for four what is it, 4 participants, you have to have 3 out of 4 must vote. So you can see I have voted, this one has voted, and this person is about to vote now. So let me quickly tell the person to vote. So that's how you can remove the person. All right, so I've told her to vote. So once you vote now, you see that once you've cast a vote, you can see so the person has been removed from the DAO. So what we now have now is what is it called, 3 people in the DAO. So now we can now go ahead and execute our registration. You can see it, registration is going smoothly. So we'll call this web simple DAO. So you can just call it whatever you want to call it. All right, simple DAO, we are simplified. All right, so you can just call this anything you want to call it, and you go ahead, you continue. All right, community DAO, this is a community DAO. All right, so just go ahead and you cast a vote. So what I'm doing now is I'm choosing a representative, so I'll be the one representing the community. So let me go ahead, continue, and the only way that will be approved is when other member of the DAO consent. So I'm going to tell them to consent now. All right, so I've told them to go and approve me as their representative. So let me chat the second one. So you just make sure your members are active. All right, so once they approve now, you can see I've signed in. All right, so I'm waiting for them. Okay, you can see, so they are actually, this one has already given a consent, so I'm waiting for this one to give his consent. I don't think he's online, but let me beep him up. It's another call. All right, so hopefully once it comes online, it's going to activate. All right, so let me beep him again. Okay, so he has seen my message, and I believe he's going to give his consent now. So immediately give his consent. Then the TONxDAO will track his response, and then will now be open for registration. All right, so just stay with me in the video so that I will be able to guide you. All right, so you can see he's now online, so I believe he can now give his consent. He has not given. Let me refresh the page. Okay, he has now. All right, so we just have to wait for this sign in button to appear. All right, so I'm the one representing my constituency. So let's hold on for this button to appear. So you can see 2 people are signed in. I'm about to sign my own now. So once you click on sign in, you have to connect the same wallet you actually connected before. All right, the same TON keeper. So you just go ahead and you connect your wallet. All right, so let's try to connect. You just keep on tapping it until it pops up. All right, you can see All right, so you just go ahead and you connect your wallet. All right, so after your wallet being connected, it will take you back to the page. Then you just click on jump to the next feed, jump to the first feed rather. So once you click on jump to the first feed, you enter your Telegram username, the same username you have on Telegram. Your Telegram username, mine is Web3 Brother. So you just go ahead, enter it now, then insert signature. So it will now take you straight to your Keeper to confirm it. So they are not actually charging you anything. So you just go ahead, confirm it to show unknown error. Don't worry, it has worked already. You will see the success message. That's it. Sign up successful. So now you go back to your page. You can see that your DAO, every member is now signed in, and you are good to go. That means we are qualified for the drop. So it's as simple as that. So please make sure you take this project very serious, and every member that is not active, kick them out.